Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2008 PJ Ford Ranger Dual Cab XL. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 12th month 2006 to the 3rd month 2009. This vehicle is fitted with a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket alloy mag wheels, 17-inch, left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand powered door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Aftermarket 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Aftermarket 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right hand power door mirror. Aftermarket 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black and grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid, tidy manual transmission 4-wheel drive centre console, tidy gear stick and boot, factory AC controls, the left hand sun visor, tidy, has a tidy right hand sun visor, tidy 4-wheel drive manual transmission instrument cluster, and it has a tidy vinyl steering wheel. We also have the power window master switch, interior mirror, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.